Hi, in this tutorial we will show you how to utilize the text-to-speech tool on an iPad or iPhone called Speak Screen. This tool can be turned on in the accessibility settings on your iOS mobile device. To turn this feature on, you will go to Settings. Mine's at the bottom in the middle of my screen. You will then go to General, then Accessibility, then Speech, and then you'll be sure that the Speak Screen setting is turned on. More details about this kind of a setup are covered in another tutorial if you need more detail. Once the Speak Screen tools are on, they can be used with many common iOS apps. So let's get started with using Speak Screen in Google Docs. So I'll open the Google Docs. Now to activate Speak Screen, I will swipe down with 2 fingers from the top of the screen. Once I do that, in just a moment, you will notice that there is a toolbar that appears on the screen and the reading will start. When I'm ready to pause it, I will tap the pause button.
TTS using Speak Screen on iPads and iPhone.
So I pause it. You probably notice that after a few seconds the toolbar will minimize to stay out of your way. To show the toolbar again, you press the right arrow button. Now you can move the toolbar to any location on the screen by just touching it and moving it. The toolbar also gives you options for changing the reading speed.
Why is text-to-speech an important tool? Text-to-speech can allow individuals
to make it read faster, you will just press the rabbit, and to make it go slower, you will press the turtle.
Read print in a different way. This is especially helpful for...
To move forward to the next sentence, you can press the fast forward button to the right of the play button, or to move back a sentence, you can press the rewind button that is to the left of the play button. Now to get rid of the toolbar and to end Speak Screen, you will click on the X on the right side of the toolbar. Now let's try this feature in some other apps. So let's go maybe to iBooks. So I'm going to open iBooks. iBooks is nice because PDFs can be saved to iBooks and then they can be read aloud using this tool. Also digital books saved from online libraries like Bookshare can also be saved here and can be read aloud. So this is a PDF document that I recently opened in an email and saved to iBooks. So again, to access the Speak Screen, I swipe down from the top with 2 fingers.
Text-to-speech 2. You can also use Speak Screen and Speak Selection to read aloud a PDF in iBooks.
Okay, so another place that you can use Speak Screen is in Safari. Now the nice thing about Safari is it has an additional feature called Reader View. To access Reader View, there are 4 horizontal lines located to the left of the address bar. I'm going to press those. And now I'm in Reader View. So Reader View simplifies the web page and removes any ads or any other confusing information, and it leaves only the text, which is really nice. So Reader View also has some settings to the right of the address bar. If I press that, you'll see it can change the color of the background. You can change the font type and the font size. So you can find what kind of is most comfortable to you in your reading. So again, once I'm ready, I will swipe 2 fingers from the top.
FHSD hosts monthly market for families in need. Posted on June 6, 2018.
So that's it.